Exclusively for Transcends Car Video Recorder series, the adhesive mount features a strong adhesive pad, a locking T-tip and a 360-degree swivel, allowing you to easily adjust your mount to any desired angle. Top reviews from the United States. After having used the suction mount for a while so as to ensure exactly where I wanted to place the Transcend dashcam, I went ahead and installed the adhesive mount to more securely hold the camera. The suction mount would come unstick and fall of the windshield if the car was parked in strong sun on warmer days. The adhesive mount solved that problem. It's also slightly more compact as compared to the suction mount, so I found it easier to tuck the camera a little further behind the rearview mirror so it's not as noticeable. Great accessory for Transcends dashcam. This is a better solution than the removable suction mount. It's more compact, allowing me to hide it behind the rear view mirror, and it seems to be holding up better under the Southern California's scorching sun and heat. I got this because the suction cup, which is actually pretty good and lasted a long while before it lost the suction after a long, hot, scorching summer day. No complaints. And I love the fact that they didn't try to charge me an arm and a leg for it.